Today is Wednesday, February 28, 2024. It's 9:03 a.m. Eastern. The market opens in less than 30 minutes. Here are the levels that we will use to trade against in the E-mini futures. There are 6 of them today. The vertical line on the left is where the SPY or the spiders closed yesterday. And currently in the pre-market, the spiders are at 505.65. After the market closes, we'll check back and analyze all the trades taken in the E-minis at these levels. And just like that, we're at the end of the day. The market closed a few hours ago. Can you tell which 2 levels the market thought were important today? Pretty easy. Spiders hit 505.61 first, and then the 506.89. Neither one of these have the levels adjusted yet. And I'll explain when we watch these trades in real time. Well, they were recorded in real time, and we'll watch them, and I'll explain why the 505.61 wasn't adjusted and the 506.89 was. Pretty straightforward. Let's just jump right into those recordings. So right at 9:45, leading up to it, the spiders were hanging around the 505.61. So you'll notice the clock in the lower right-hand corner, right at 9:45 on the button, I just put a manual order in to sell short where they were at. They were actually a few pennies above, and it would have worked either way. If I had gone long, they went up 4 points. It took us some time. But as it turned out, they went south on the short side a little bit sooner. Of course, you didn't know at the time, but just the way they were behaving, I'm looking at their charts, other indications. So pretty good feel that they were going to go down for a little while. So you can see this trade develop when they get close to the base hit profit target. I check to see how close they are to see if they reverse or bounce away pretty quickly. Then that would be called a near miss. As you see shortly, it did not happen. They handed over the base hit pretty quickly, and that was the first base hit in the bag, 4 points. By the way, if you notice any sound in the background, just bear with me on that. That's just daily life around dinner time here. So the next trade happened. Well, I had an order to go long at 504.57 because they were heading down there, but they didn't get that much lower than where they are now. So end up canceling that order at some point and putting an order in to go short at 506.84. That's with the 5-cent buffer factored in. And let me back up a little bit. So you see when they hit that to the penny, 506.84, and bounced away. Good resistance up there. Took about 14 or 15 minutes for this trade to play out. They were hardly out of the money at all. And we'll scrub ahead to show you that trade play out. So there's the other base hit. So 8 ES points total for the day before 11:30, before 2 hours of the trading day. And as you know already, they never hit any other levels. I'll just scrub ahead for a little bit. This recording was going on because I was hoping they would go higher to hit the level above or the level down for more trades. But as you know, it didn't happen. So we'll just jump into the tracking log to show where the averages and the percentages are to date. So here are the 2 trades recorded, column C and then column D, respectively. 2 base hits equals 8 ES points. Pretty decent day. So I hope you learned something, found this interesting. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. Have a great day.